Welcome to the Best Picks. The best saving money is probably one of the most important skills anyone can develop. In today's fast-paced world, where expenses seem to constantly rise, learning how to save can be the difference between financial stability and constant worry. This video will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you take control of your finances and build a secure financial future. Number 5. Investing for Kids. Save, invest, and grow money. This program teaches kids the basics of saving and investing. It's designed to help them understand how money works and how they can grow their own wealth over time. Saving is the first step toward financial freedom. This module explains the importance of saving and provides practical tips on how to set savings goals and achieve them. Investing allows your money to grow. This section introduces different investment options, making it easier to understand how to make smart choices. This program focuses on long-term investment strategies. It helps children understand the power of compounding and the benefits of starting early. By learning about money management, kids can build a strong financial foundation. This program equips them with the knowledge and skills they need for a secure future. What we like. This book simplifies complex financial concepts for children. It's perfect if you want to introduce your kids to the world of money management early on. If you're looking to build a strong financial foundation for your children, this is a great choice. What people say. Easily understandable for young kids and is a perfect educational tool to help them learn what the school system will never teach. Explains so that you understand how and why in saving and investing. This helped break down the fundamentals of saving and investing in a way that made it fun to learn about. Number 4. Turn $100 into $1 million. Are you ready to transform a small sum into a fortune? This is the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom. It will show you how to make your money work for you. First, let's talk about earning. This involves exploring different income streams and maximizing your potential. It's about smart work and making your money grow. Next, we dive into investing. This is where your money starts to work for you. It will show you how to make your money grow over time. Finally, we'll cover saving strategies. This is about building a solid financial foundation. It will help you protect your money and reach your goals. By following these steps, you can turn a small investment into a substantial amount. This is your roadmap to financial success. It's time to start your journey. What we like. This book focuses on the ambitious goal of significant wealth creation. It provides a roadmap to help you turn a small amount into a substantial fortune. If you are looking for a guide to aggressive investing and wealth accumulation, this is the one for you. What people say. The book breaks down important financial topics like earning, saving, investing, and budgeting in a way that is fun and easy to understand. It uses real-life examples and practical steps, which make it relatable and actionable for young readers. The writing style is fun and engaging, keeping kids interested while teaching them valuable life lessons. Number 3. Not Common Cent Dollar, Finance Crash Course. Are you a college student or young adult looking to take control of your finances? This course is designed to give you a solid foundation in personal finance within 30 days. It's a quick and effective way to learn the basics. Learn how to manage your money wisely. This course will teach you practical strategies for budgeting and tracking your expenses. It's all about making your money work for you. Discover proven techniques to save money quickly. The course provides actionable tips and tricks to help you build your savings. You'll be surprised how fast you can reach your financial goals. Are you struggling with debt? This course offers strategies to pay off your debts efficiently. It provides a clear roadmap to becoming debt-free, allowing you to achieve financial freedom. Want to start investing in the stock market? This course gives you an introduction to investing. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for beginners to start building their investment portfolio. What we like. This book is tailored for college students and young adults. It offers practical advice on managing money, saving, and tackling debt. If you're a student or recent graduate struggling with finances, it's designed to help you navigate those challenges. What people say. Amin synthesizes tried and true strategies, packaging the information for an especially hard-to-reach audience, young people. Of particular interest to young readers will be the detailed content on spending and saving hacks, side hustles, and multiple income streams. Amin is a patient educator, opening the book with foundational terms that in other contexts, such as personal finance blogs and listservs, often get thrown around without explanation. Number 2. Financial Planning Book for Beginners. This book is designed for beginners to help them understand the basics of financial planning. It provides a clear and concise guide on how to manage money effectively. Learn practical strategies to accelerate your savings goals. It offers actionable tips and techniques to help you save money more efficiently. Discover proven methods to eliminate debt and regain control of your finances. The book provides a step-by-step approach to debt management. Take charge of your financial future with the help of this book. It empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial objectives. Part of the Smart Personal Money Management series, this book is a valuable resource. It is a must-have guide for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. What we like. This book is designed for beginners to learn the basics of budgeting and financial planning. It helps you understand how to control your finances and pay off debt. If you are looking for a simple, easy-to-follow guide to personal finance, this is a great starting point. What people say. Easy to follow. Every high school student should have a class on this book. This book is simple to understand, informative, very easy to read, and just to the point. This book is a good blueprint for financial success for almost anyone. Number 1. Save or Slave. Save money like your freedom depends on it. This book is all about achieving financial freedom. It provides practical advice on how to save money effectively. It's designed to help you take control of your finances. The first step is understanding where your money goes. This book guides you through the process of analyzing your spending habits. It helps you identify areas where you can save. Learn proven strategies to save money. The book offers actionable tips and techniques. Implement these strategies to build a solid financial foundation. The book emphasizes the importance of making saving a priority. It shows you how to shift your mindset towards financial responsibility. It encourages you to treat saving as essential. Ultimately, this book aims to help you achieve financial independence. It empowers you to make informed financial decisions. It's your guide to a more secure future. What we like. This book emphasizes the importance of saving money. It provides a sense of urgency and highlights how saving can lead to financial freedom. If you like the idea of financial independence and want to learn how to save effectively, you should consider it. What people say. This is a great book for today's generation looking to get started on the path to financial freedom. It is filled with solid information, good case scenarios, great tips, and practical solutions at every stage and level of career. Excellent book. Relevant content that is a guide for life. Pollard has the gecko of money-saving life hacks condensed in a book that even an economically illiterate Bernie Sanders supporter could understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.